5 Indian students, including 3 from Kashmir and 2 from Maharashtra, were injured in Israeli airstrikes in Iran. According to a student who spoke to The Week from Iran, the injuries occurred during an airstrike on a residential area near Tehran University of Medical Sciences at around 3 pm Iranian time yesterday. Luckily, all 5 students sustained only minor injuries, said the student, who requested anonymity. He said that the students were hurt when an Israeli missile strike destroyed a residential building just 1 block away from where international students were living in dormitories. The blast was so powerful that it killed several civilians, including children, he said. Some of us helped in the rescue operation and transported the injured to the hospital. After the incident, the university arranged for the relocation of students to a safer location in northern Iran. Around 300 of us were shifted to a safer location, which I cannot reveal for security reasons, he said. Many international students have since left Iran after their respective embassies facilitated their evacuations. Some of the students from other countries had reportedly crossed into neighboring countries as part of their journey back home. The Indian Embassy in Tehran today arranged the relocation of Indian students from various universities to secure locations. The embassy organized buses early this morning to move them. All Indian students, including those from Kashmir, boarded the bus from gate number 2, Welinjek. This included students from Shahid Bahishti University of Medical Sciences, whether living in hostels or private apartments. The embassy has made it clear that no Indian student should remain in the boys or girls hostels or private accommodations. Currently, hundreds of Indian students, around 1,500 from Kashmir alone, are enrolled in various medical colleges across Iran. On Sunday, a group of parents of Kashmiri students studying in Iran appealed to the Ministry of External Affairs for immediate evacuation. The parents held a peaceful protest before dispersing. Shuail Qadri, whose son and daughter are both studying MBBS in Iran, expressed his concern but also praised the government's prompt response. The MEA has arranged for the relocation of Indian students to safer places today, he said. They were escorted by security, but the exact location has not been disclosed for safety reasons, he added. The Indian Embassy in Tehran has been very helpful. We are confident that the government of India will eventually evacuate all Indians from Iran, just as it did during Operation Ganga when students were rescued from Ukraine after the Russian invasion. Rauf Bhatt, uncle of 2 Kashmiri students at Tehran University of Medical Sciences, confirmed that all Indian students from TUMS had been shifted to safer locations. They have been moved somewhere in the north of Iran, he said. From there, they may be able to move to a neighboring country on their way home. He said he had spoken to both his nephew and niece and they were safe. Concerns have grown over the safety of Indian students stranded in Iran amid escalating tensions between Iran and Israel.